Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Do you need to quickly mark all your Apple Mail as read? This is how you do it on your Mac. First, open the Mail application. Look at the left sidebar. Here, you will see your different mailboxes, like Inbox or Sent. Choose the specific mailbox you want to mark as read. For example, if you want to clear your main inbox, click on Inbox. Once your desired mailbox is selected and its contents are displayed, move your mouse pointer to the top of your screen. Locate the menu bar. Click on the Message menu option. A list of choices will drop down. In this list, find and click the option called Mark All Messages as Read. As soon as you click it, all unread emails in that selected mailbox will instantly change their status. The bold text indicating unread messages will disappear. Any blue dots next to emails will also vanish. This simple action helps you quickly declutter your view. It's perfect for when you've been away and have many unread emails you don't need to review right now. Just remember, this command only affects the mailbox you have currently highlighted. If you use multiple email accounts or have several mailboxes you want to clear, you will need to repeat these steps for each one. This ensures a clean slate across all your important mail folders, giving you a fresh start. It's a truly fast and efficient way to manage your email, making your inbox feel much less overwhelming.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.